Prior to the US election, beginning of the November, we are trying to draw a probable picture of global economy. So here the important factor is any government uh, would like to have a strong dollar index, at the same time lower crude oil price for their citizens, and accordingly both are correlated. It will be going very well. It happens naturally. Strong dollar keeps pressure on the all the commodities, including the crude oil price. But the issue will be the economic growth and equity market, because the liquidity will be evaporated if dollar index remain high above, and the most part of the liquidity which has been injected till the time will be dragged into the commodity part. So it may be horrible to see the equity part or global equity to go down. So to manifest a strong economic profile and portfolio that usually all the government will be looking for, US will do so, I think. So to suppress the actual reality of the economy, they can manifest the COVID-19 issue once again, or may have some irregular, irritable war that we can see as of now in the Israel and India-China border. So the entire front is not that much favorable for the investors, and from the low of March, now all the index has rallied good enough, and earning growth has not yet been captured because of pandemic situations. Consumption has been lower because people are frightened. The liquidity injected, but the most part of that has been kept aside, not getting rolled in the market, not getting used in the market to be more productive. So we can't expect the earning growth before it starts working. The fund has been infused through bond buying and rate cuts, whatever we have seen here. So in the second part of US election, impact in Indian economy and global economy, this is the another important aspect I have thought to discuss with you. And gold price we have seen recently getting under pressure. Some sort of people will try also to get their position in dollar because of stronger dollar expected in the coming election. So irrespective of all inequity, commodity and all, we may see some sort of pressure, some sort of liquidation of position, some sort of dragging out of their position and funds. So it may be little bit more challenging for an emerging country to keep the index and stocks performing. That much for today. The remaining part we will discuss in the part 3, probably in next few days. Thank you very much.